Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're going to draw Zamasu fused. Don't take this personal, this is just a redraw review. And we're going to be doing what I should have done days ago. Anyways, Zamasu fused is basically a fusion of Goku Black and Zamasu from the timeline Trunks is from. And, well, Zamasu is one of my favorite Dragon Ball fighters. You saw me draw his close up, and now I'm gonna draw the rest of him. He has a signature move called Blades of Judgment, and he has the capabilities of invincibility and Saiyan strength. You've seen me draw a lot of characters besides him in the past. And trust me, he has one mission, the Zero Mortal Plan, to erase all mortals from reality. Anyways, drawing him is quite easy. Oh yeah, one more thing. He transformed into this giant ether and erased all the mortals from Trunks' reality until Zeno erased him. It would have stayed that way if Beerus hadn't stepped in and erased him instead. Good thing that didn't happen. Here's the Super Saiyan hair. Worship me, give praise unto me, the beautiful, the sublime, me the invincible, the almighty and divine. All hail Zamasu. Here's the time ring on his finger. One last thing, something I should have done a long time ago, was to draw the large halo on his back. Now that's a crest definitely worthy of a god. And there he is. That's how you draw Zamasu fused. Now that's one of my favorite characters. See you soon.